Entering the regulated area is very simple. Everybody carries, they are okay, they are fresh, they are happy, they are going to work, they know the testing is done, everything is done. That time my safety officer, my manager, they take care of it, that anybody entering is following all the decon chamber rules, which later on we can talk about it. It's a very depth of the subject. Then later on, my point, when they are returning from their work, when they are tired, they are exhausted, they are wearing the full face masks, the Tyvek suits, the boots, the hand gloves. It is, believe me, it is so very tough to work in these conditions and wearing all those gears. But as EPSCO, safety is first. And me as being the leader on that project or whatever, my visits are all over and they are sudden. It's not planned because I don't want to tell I'm coming, and they take extra precaution, extra mileage to come out with safety things and just I-fold me. So I don't do that. So as a team leading a team, I see to them, I just have a watch when they're exiting. During exiting, the main part is how you enter the decon chamber. There are some protocols. In that protocols you have to follow, but the mask has not to be removed. They have to remove their Tyvek suit, their boots. Everything has to be dumped in a particular package over there, which is called, there is a special dustbin kept for that. They have to dump. My point over there, where the risk factor the highest, is a person removing all that, frustrated guy. I have to make it a point, and you have to hammer the safety things into people's head. Hammer, keep on hammering. If you don't hammer it, they are bound to make mistakes because they are overconfident. And overconfidence leads to an accident. That's the reason you have to hammer it again and again. So that is the reason I want very precise and very strict on those things. They have to enter the zone where is the bathing zone, which is called the dirty area, with the mask on, because till now they are not safe from asbestos. Asbestos, believe me, was a miracle product ages back. Miracle product. Absolutely acid-free, heat-free, so cheap to manufacture. Everybody could afford, everybody was happy until the time it was a disaster when somebody found that this product, oh my God, it is worse than a drug. Why? Because you are unaware what you're doing, what you're having, what you're inhaling. And the best part of it, a person inhales it on himself. And then he carries that stuff in his house. And his son, who is just a month old, 2 months old, and as a father, even I'm a father, whenever I used to go home, I used to make a point to clean up myself and then get dressed and then have a bath and then everything. Then I would carry but as a labor, they don't think that. The son directly runs what my papa has bought me today, and he carries him. He is contaminated because the clothing what he's wearing is with asbestos. So a miracle product can be very dangerous. We as a team, we make sure that such incidents don't happen. That's why sudden checks are very important. I would like to also emphasize something. Whenever we set up a site, we make it a point to have a wind stop. It's very important, when you're working in an open area where the wind is flowing. If the wind is flowing in south to north, north to south, or east to west, you have a wind stop which tells you, which side the wind is flowing. And that we avoid our team to be on that side so they don't get contaminated. They don't have the flows. I've worn all the gears. I've worn everything. It's like in the army, I've got the machine guns, I've got everything, I've got the armor on, everything on. But yes, the bullet can hit you. It's the same thing with asbestos. It can. There are chances. Nobody is 100% safe.